In this segment of the Ellis Martin Report and Money Talk Radio, we speak with Stephen Stairs, President and CEO of Benton Resources, trading as BEX on the TSX Venture Exchange and BNTRF on the OTC. Following a project generation business model, Benton has a highly prospective multi-mineral property portfolio. In addition, it holds large equity positions in other mining companies that are advancing high-quality assets, and whenever possible, BEX retains net smelter return royalties with potential long-term cash flow. The company is currently focused on advancing its high-grade copper-gold Great Burnt project in central Newfoundland, which has a mineral resource estimate of 442,000 tons at 2.50% copper indicated and 829,000 tons at 2.11% copper inferred. The project has an excellent geological setting covering 25 kilometers of strike and boasts 6 known copper-gold-silver zones over 15 kilometers that are all open for expansion. Further potential for discovery is excellent given the extensive number of untested geophysical targets and copper-gold soil anomalies. Stephen Stairs is a successful business entrepreneur with 32 years of experience in mineral exploration. Steve's career spans from 1988, where he spent 7 years with Noranda Exploration on such projects as the Hemlo Gold Mines, Eagle River Gold Deposit, and the Gecko and Matabi Base metal camps. The next 10 years of Steve's career were spent managing the operations of Stairs Contracting Corporation, a successful mineral exploration services company in Thunder Bay, Ontario. In 2004, Stephen and his brother Michael started Benton Resources, where he remains as president and CEO. Since that time, he has been directly involved in the startup of many publicly traded companies on the TSX Venture Exchange, with the most recent being Clean Air Metals, where he secured 2 high-quality copper, nickel, platinum, palladium deposits and assembled a team of professionals to take the company public. I recently caught up with Steve at the Prospectors and Developers Association of Canada, PDAC, in Toronto. Steve, great to be here with you in person in Toronto. How are you?
Great, Ellis. Great to see you again.
Let's bring us up to date on the happenings in the Burnt Main Zone. You've made a new discovery in North Stringer.
Yeah, North Stringer Zone, we drilled deep underneath it. We got a brand new horizon that looks like it's coming together, and currently got a geophysical crew on site pulsing that hole right now for further drilling.
So what are we looking forward to in the spring? How's the spend going to be this year?
We're going to continue drilling. We're going to move up also to South Pond Gold Zone, drill some more holes in that, delineate further gold resource, and keep expanding on the new copper discoveries that we have.
You have found probably one of the main places in Newfoundland for copper and high-grade copper. It's not easy, but you've done it.
Yeah, we have. It's an unbelievable project. We are excited every time we go back to the drill bit. We continue to get excited with what's coming out of the ground. New discoveries, re-drilling old holes that are substantially higher grade than the previous 1971 holes. The project just keeps surprising us every day.
What are your thoughts about the copper market right now?
You know, obviously with the tariffs and everything, nobody knows what's going to happen, but one thing is for sure, the world needs a lot of copper. We got high-grade copper, and it looks like the resource is going to be substantially increased. We're very optimistic about this project.
How is Newfoundland set up for production?
Newfoundland is ranked now number 1, I believe, by Fraser Institute for exploration and development. We got a big gold deposit being put in production as we speak. We got the Rambler Metals mine owned by Firefly Resources out of Australia. That's now 60 million tons at 2% copper equivalent. That's world class. So Newfoundland is actually starting to show that it has this world-class potential all over the island.
I see nothing but opportunity. I'm biased. You're a sponsor of the program. You're biased. You're the CEO of the company. Why do you think Benton is so tremendously undervalued?
Yeah, the market is just generally tough for junior explorers right now. I think it's starting to come. We see guys like Eric Sprott talking very, very positive about the turnaround in the junior space. Those guys are smart guys. They follow the trends. They know what's happening. I think it's just a matter of time now before it breaks open, wide open.
How much interest do you have from the majors or the mid-tiers right now in that project?
Yeah, we're starting to catch the eyes. We've had certainly some M&A activity and offers looking at the project. So we know now we're on the right track and that we're really creating interest in the project.
Can you tell us who with?
Oh, of course not. We have CA signed and so forth, but who knows in the future what could come.
And you definitely want to consider yourself being positioned in Benton if you're listening to this program right now at this particular share price. Stephen, thank you so much for joining me today at the program. Great again to see you here at PDAC.
Thanks, Ellis. Always a pleasure, buddy.
I've been speaking with Stephen Stairs, President and CEO of Benton Resources, trading as BEX on the TSX Venture Exchange and BNTRF on the OTC. Find the company at bentonresources.ca. For Money Talk Radio and the Ellis Martin Report, I'm Ellis Martin.
Would you like to be one of the first to see who we are following? Subscribe to our audio newsletter. It's free. EllisMartinReport.com.